Welcome to my roundup of the top 5 best electric screwdrivers of 2026. The cordless and rechargeable tools that make DIY projects, home repairs, and professional tasks faster and easier. Whether you're assembling furniture, fixing electronics, or tackling everyday household jobs, these screwdrivers combine power, precision, and convenience in compact designs. Today's models feature long-lasting batteries, multiple bit sets, ergonomic grips, and smart torque control, giving you the confidence to handle any project. In this guide, I'll walk you through the top options available this year and help you choose the perfect one. Check the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Starting off with the Unimela 140 Gen 1 Mini Electric Screwdriver Set. The Unimela 140 Gen 1 Mini Electric Screwdriver Set is a powerhouse for precision work. I love how it comes with an incredible 140 pieces, making it one of the most versatile kits available. This set is perfect for electronics repair, small appliances, and delicate DIY projects. The screwdriver itself is compact and lightweight, designed for easy handling during long sessions. Its rechargeable battery provides consistent power, and the torque settings allow me to adjust performance depending on the task. The magnetic bit holder ensures bits stay secure, while the wide variety of included bits means I'm ready for any screw type I encounter. What makes this set stand out is its sheer completeness. You don't need to buy extra accessories because everything is included. For anyone who works on gadgets, laptops, or precision repairs, the Unimela 140N1 set is a must-have. Next up is the Avid Power 5+1 Electric Screwdriver Set. The Avid Power 5+1 Electric Screwdriver Set is designed for versatility and everyday use. It comes with 5 screwdriver bits plus 1 extension, making it ideal for household projects and furniture assembly. I appreciate its ergonomic design, which reduces fatigue during extended use. The rechargeable battery provides reliable runtime, and the LED light adds visibility in dark corners. The forward/reverse switch makes it easy to change directions, while the variable speed control gives me precision for different materials. What I like most is its balance of simplicity and functionality. It's not overloaded with accessories, but it delivers exactly what most users need. The compact design makes it easy to store, and the included extension helps reach tight spaces. For anyone who wants a straightforward, dependable electric screwdriver, Avid Power offers excellent value. Moving on, the EnerTwist 8V Cordless Screwdriver. The EnerTwist 8V Cordless Screwdriver is built for power and convenience. With its 8V motor, it delivers strong torque for tougher tasks like drilling into wood or handling larger screws. I love how it includes multiple torque settings, giving me control over different applications. The rechargeable battery provides long runtime, and the fast charger minimizes downtime. Its ergonomic grip and lightweight design make it comfortable to use, while the LED light ensures visibility in dimly lit areas. The forward/reverse function is smooth, and the magnetic bit holder keeps bits secure. EnerTwist also includes a variety of bits, making it versatile for different projects. This model is perfect for users who want more power than a mini screwdriver, but still need portability. It's a great choice for DIY enthusiasts who want a balance of strength and convenience. Moving on again, the Fantic E1 Max Electric Screwdriver. The Fantic E1 Max Electric Screwdriver is a premium option designed for precision and style. I appreciate its sleek design and high-quality build, which make it stand out from other models. It features multiple torque settings, allowing me to handle delicate electronics as well as tougher household tasks. The rechargeable battery provides excellent runtime, and the USB-C charging port adds modern convenience. The screwdriver includes a wide range of bits, all stored in a compact case for easy organization. The LED light adds visibility, and the magnetic bit holder ensures secure operation. What makes Fantic unique is its focus on both performance and aesthetics. It feels like a professional tool, but looks stylish enough to impress. For anyone who wants a high-end electric screwdriver with reliable performance, the Fantic E1 Max is a fantastic choice. Finally, the high-spec small electric screwdriver. The high-spec small electric screwdriver earns its place as one of the most affordable and practical options in 2026. Designed for everyday household tasks, it's compact, lightweight, and easy to use. I love how simple it is. Just charge it up, insert a bit, and get to work. Despite its small size, it delivers enough torque for furniture assembly, small repairs, and light DIY projects. The rechargeable battery provides decent runtime, and the ergonomic grip makes it comfortable to hold. The included bit set covers most common screw types, and the forward/reverse switch adds convenience. What makes high-spec stand out is its affordability. It's accessible to most users while still delivering reliable performance. For beginners, students, or anyone who wants a budget-friendly electric screwdriver, this model is a smart choice. All of these electric screwdrivers bring something valuable to the table, depending on your needs and work style. The Unimela 140N1 set is perfect for precision repairs and gadget enthusiasts. The Avid Power 5+1 set offers simplicity and everyday functionality. The EnerTwist 8V screwdriver delivers extra power for tougher tasks. The Fantic E1 Max combines premium design with versatile performance. And the high-spec small screwdriver provides affordability and practicality for everyday users. When choosing an electric screwdriver, it's important to consider torque, battery life, included accessories, and ergonomics. High torque is essential for tougher jobs, while compact models are better for electronics and delicate work. Battery performance determines how long you can work without recharging, and ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use. Accessories like bit sets and storage cases add value, making the tool more versatile and convenient. That wraps up my top 5 best electric screwdrivers of 2026. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a professional mechanic, or just someone who wants to make household tasks easier, there's a perfect cordless screwdriver here for you. These tools represent the best balance of power, portability, and price, helping you tackle projects with confidence. So, if you're ready to upgrade your toolkit, check the description below for the latest deals and grab the screwdriver that fits your needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tool reviews and buying guides. With the right electric screwdriver in hand, you'll be ready to take on any project, big or small, with precision, speed, and ease. Power up your work, save time, and enjoy the satisfaction of getting the job done right.